Yes, we can use this the one button start to switch on the diesel engine. Drop down the mode and provide you this kind of tool to feed and spread in the concrete material into the mold box. This one start can be drive the diesel engine switch on to be switched on instead of the menu. Do you know how to use this? The handle. Yeah, the right side of this handle is to control the vibration of the downside and the vibration again. You know why? Anyone who knows this why? Who knows why to vibration 2 or 3 times? Can you leave your ideas on my videos, please? Drop down the mode. So the most important point, as you have to remember, is keep on the vibration, and sometimes you press the top mode one time by one time. Yeah, we will give you this kind of trolley, the wheelbarrow, to carry out the blocks together with the pallets. Very beautiful, the blocks. Very beautiful is produced. And from the surface of this kind of blocks, we can check is the blocks quality is more better compared with the compared with our QT4-30, the mechanic vibration, because the hydraulic vibration motor can supply the more powerful, a higher pressure rather than the vibrator. The vibrator of the 2.2 kilowatts actually speak cannot supply such strong vibration force as the hydraulic cylinder. See the blocks, very nice, very nice. Even now we can try to stand up on the blocks. Yeah, even they are fresh blocks, but we can stand up because the density and the compression of the blocks is high enough. It's high enough. Here's the black block mode. We can exchange the mode to make the produce to produce different blocks. This one is our pump. The piston pump supplied a very big vibration power to vibration in the blocks. This green color parts is called water cooling system, which will cooling the hydraulic oil. Here's the battery to provide electricity for the starter. This one starter, right? It will drive up the diesel engine instead of the menu. You see this menu, the menu hose. This diesel engine the power is 22 horsepower. It's more powerful. Remember, you have to fill the gear oil, the engine oil before you use this diesel engine. Here is the handle. So to switch on or switch off the hydraulic oil, here's the mode, the block mode. Look at our machine. This one, the vibration platform. To supply the speeds based on the rubber. Here's the vibration box. Very good machine. Very good machine. So you don't worry about the electricity, whether electricity is rich or poor. This one, the water tank, is a water tank for you to fill the water to cooling the diesel engine. This one diesel tank, you have to fill the diesel. This one engine oil tank. All right. So if you don't have the electricity, you can buy this one. This one is diesel powered diesel engine.